Hi, this is Gavin from Dance Brothers Weather giving you a severe weather update. Tomorrow, moderate chance of severe weather northeast Illinois. This is about 4 out of 4 out of 5 rating. Enhanced risk of severe weather extends west of the Mississippi River. Where's the west? To Indiana. There is a slight risk of severe weather tomorrow stretching from Indiana to Ohio, down to Mississippi and Alabama.
Hi, this is Bentley here. In the moderate area, right here, there is a hatched risk with a 15% chance of a tornado. This means there is a 15% chance of a tornado within a few miles any spot. There is potential for some of these belong and significant, meaning EF2 or higher.
There is a warm front extending from a low pressure system moving northeast that will rise to the Illinois-Wisconsin border, bringing up warm, moisture air from the south. These are our temperatures tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Dew point will be in the mid-60s ahead of the dry line. The dry line will be near the Mississippi River by mid-afternoon and cross it into the evening. Storms will be far ahead into the dry line. High in the atmosphere, winds will become very fast by mid-afternoon, which will create the shearland updraft needed for the storms to be discrete and severe. These discrete storms have the highest tornado potential. Extremely large hail is also possible with these storms.
Alert of what's going on. Go inside if you hear thunder or see lightning. Take all warnings seriously. Go in your basement, storm shelter, or indoor room if you are under a tornado warning.
We will be back with live updates tomorrow as the storms develop. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Dance Brothers Weather.
Stay safe out there.